What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to show you how to set up your M-tray to your microphone or desktop stand. So when you look at the tray, you'll see this knob here which actually loosens up or tightens the clamp of the tray, so that way we can line it up and attach it to any of these items. So to set it up to the microphone stand, we're going to loosen this knob here. And you're actually going to want to loosen it up a fair amount so we have enough room to open up the clamp to fit it onto the stand. If you want, as you're loosening it up, you can check to see if there's going to be enough space, and if there isn't, you can loosen it up some more. And once you have it loose enough, you'll see that the clamp moves in and out, so that way we can adjust it to the appropriate size for the item. So once you have enough room for your clamp, you're just going to line it up to the mic stand like so. And you're going to want to make sure that you're within the circular ridges here so that it fits onto your stand. So you can pick any spot along your stand, whether it's more towards the bottom or more towards the top. And once you have it all lined up, you're going to tighten this knob here so that the clamp closes up onto the stand. You're really going to tighten this knob until you can't any further so that it's nice and secure onto the stand. And now that it's nice and secure, we can take any of our items like our mixers, interfaces, etc. and place it right onto the tray. Now if you want to take the tray off of the stand, you're just going to loosen the knob here on the tray so that it opens the clamp back up. And once you have it opened up enough, you can just take the tray off of the stand like that. We can also use the same exact steps to attach the M-tray onto our desktop stand here. So we'll loosen the clamp by loosening the knob here. Again, we can check to see if there's going to be enough room for the clamp to attach onto the stand. And if not, we can loosen the knob even further. Once we have it loose enough, we can line it up to the stand. Again, make sure that the circular ridges line up to the stand. And then we're just going to tighten the knob to secure the tray onto the stand. Once we have it all set, we can take our items like an interface and even a headphone amp, which is really cool if you're doing a two-man podcast. You can have everything you need on this tray here for your setup. If you want to take the tray off of the stand, you're just going to loosen the knob here so that the clamp opens up again. And once it's open enough, you can just slide the tray off of the stand, just like that. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your M-tray to your microphone or desktop stand. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.